If you've been experiencing pain in your bones and joints, you know just how frustrating unwanted arthritis symptoms can be. In this case, one home remedy that you can consider is to try an olive oil massage. And that is the topic of this video. So, if you're ready, let's get into it. Deep tissue massages are a great way to reduce bone and joint pain, as it increases blood circulation to a specific area. With that said, you can use olive oil to potentially boost the positive effects. The reason using olive oil during the massage is even better is because it contains a compound known as Oleuropein, and this property is directly responsible for reducing inflammation. As you know, if you can reduce inflammation in your joints, it can help alleviate pain and unwanted arthritis symptoms. In fact, a 4-week study was conducted where a group of subjects rubbed extra virgin olive oil onto their joints. They were compared to a separate group that used medicated cream. Now, it may sound messy, but the results showed that the group who used olive oil reported having less pain than those who used other medicated creams. So this is definitely a home remedy that you can consider. With that said, some other techniques that you can look into for joint pain include: try an Epsom salt bath, herbal tea, anti-inflammatory foods, hot and cold therapy, omega-3 fatty acids, capsaicin cream, turmeric, yoga, and acupuncture. We've talked more about these home remedies in a separate video here on our channel. With that said, just a quick reminder, we are not doctors. This video is for informational purposes only. But real quick, if you don't mind, do me a huge favor and hit the like button. It really helps support the channel and I greatly appreciate it. And you might as well go ahead and subscribe for more videos like this. Hopefully what you learned in this video was useful and can help you reduce arthritis symptoms over time. If so, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you want to dive even deeper, we do have a full guide on our website. I will drop a link to it right below this video down in the description. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Have a blessed day, and as always, breathe easy, my friend.